Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna tell you Gemini interface tour. So guys, if you go to Gemini, then a Gemini interface tour gives you a quick look at how everything works inside the app. When you open Gemini, you will see a clean home screen with a chat box at the bottom where you type your question. At the top, you can switch between text mode, voice mode or camera mode for images here. And there's also a menu where you can find your previous chats like settings and personalized gems. The layout is simple, making it easy to start a chat, upload images or ask anything instantly. The benefit is that you understand the app faster, and the importance is that it helps you use all features smoothly without confusion. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.